generation, law students in particular, is appreciable because so wherever the invitation, especially when it comes from the government law colleges, so our Honorable Mr. Justice, just for the purpose of inspiring the young minds, right, he has accepted. So my invitation to our Honorable Justice was very short, as I came only recently here. I came back only recently here. So Honorable Justice readily accepted. I owe my sincere gratitude and thanks to you, Lordship. I warmly once again welcome you. This event is not possible without, say, the constant support, say, of our Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee, right? So as a significant representation, our Madam Professor Dr. Jayagauri had come, and the guidance, say, of our beloved Director, Professor Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi Ma'am. So Madam had conveyed her wishes to all the moot participants. Due to some appointment, Madam is unable to be present here. I seek my wishes, say, from our beloved Director to successfully conduct this valedictory session. I warmly welcome my friend and colleague, Professor Dr. Jayagauri, to register the fact that in the last academic year, we both had created a renaissance in the sense, right? We have been placed first in Tamil Nadu in IIRF ranking as the best law colleges, because both our colleges, the GO is one and the same as Chennai Dr.Ambedkar Government Law College, and throughout India in IIRF ranking, we've been placed 8th, inclusive of national law schools, right? So therefore, we were able to achieve, because what activity we have here is a very sportive competition, and we always ensure that every institution is aiming high, and therefore it gives me great pleasure to warmly welcome Madam Jayagauri as the representative, as a coordinator of the Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee. I warmly welcome you once again. We are amongst the special invitees, say, our special guest of the day, Tirumadi Juliet Pushpa, the Principal District Judge, the Sessions Judge of Tiruvallur. So, by association with our Honorable Justice, like she is also part and parcel of our legal fraternity. For once, she had served as a lecturer, say, at the government law colleges, and she had served, say, as the law secretary to the Union Territory of Puducherry. So I had the prior experience of inviting our Madam Justice, and so humble and simple and sweet, I must say, Madam approach, say, towards us as our law faculties, right? So it gives me happiness for me, I should tell you, ma'am, to have you here. So it's overwhelming, rather, right, to have you here as a special guest to our National Moot Court Competition. I warmly welcome you, ma'am. I also warmly welcome our finalists, judges who have judged you, your performance. Also, an alumni of this alma mater, right, Mr. D. Lingeshwaran. So it's difficult for me to recall the year that he had studied in our old campus. And he was presently the Administrative General and Official Trustee of Tamil Nadu. Last year, sir was a Sessions Court judge, I believe, right? So we had invited, and whenever we carry out, say, this practical work, sending our students to court work, right? So when we put the allocation, we send it. Undue care has been taken by our Mr. Lingeshwaran, ensuring that our students are being trained practically, say, in the court campus. I sincerely thank you for that, and I sincerely thank you, say, for judging our final of the National Moot Court Competition. I warmly welcome you for this valedictory function, sir. I warmly welcome yet another student alumni, presently the District Judge of Chennai, Deepthi Arivanidhi, who is also, I remember when I used to be in the moot committee as a moot court officer, right? She used to be a mooter, right? Always she follows up what moots are coming up and what to participate. I remember whenever I see her, I recall those days, right? So it gives me happiness again. Deepthi Arivanidhi, thank you for supporting our students. I warmly welcome you. I warmly welcome all the other state moot committee members, as I said, Hepzibah, Inbashekaran sir, who took meticulous efforts of coming from their place of work, right? And I warmly welcome all the moot committee members of this campus. And I warmly welcome all the senior most professor, Dr. Vijay Karthik, Dr. Anita Fabiola, Dr. Gunasundari, I wish she completes it, right? And I warmly welcome all the my dear faculties, right, who's been instrumental in successful functioning of this event. A sound applause, please, to my faculties. A warm welcome to one and all. A warm welcome to all the student participants, the mooters. See, don't get dejected, right? Not everyone can win. We only lost in this competition, most of us, right? But the ulterior objective is we are going to win in our life. We always would have win-win situations in future. Always remember that this is only a good try. More to come. Please have that in your mind, right? So let us appreciate the best ones for today in this valedictory program. I warmly welcome each and every one of you. I warmly welcome all the student volunteers,
presenting the shot and the memento. Thank you, sir. Requesting our principal ma'am to felicitate our special guest, Honorable Tirumadi J. Juliet Pushpa, Principal District and Session Judge, Tiruvallur. Thank you, ma'am. Requesting our principal ma'am to felicitate our special guest, Mrs. Deepthi Arivanidhi, District Judge, Chennai. Thank you, ma'am. Requesting Professor Dr. V. Lingeshwaran, Administrator General and Official Trustee of Tamil Nadu. And District Judge. Thank you, sir. Requesting the Principal Ma'am to felicitate the Coordinator of Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee, Professor Dr. G. Jayagauri. Thank you, ma'am. Requesting Professor Dr. V. Vijay Karthik to felicitate Thiru Inbasegaran, Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee member. Thank you, sir. Requesting our Principal Ma'am to felicitate Dr. C. Hepsipa Biola, Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee member. Thank you, ma'am. Requesting our coordinator, ma'am, to felicitate our beloved principal, ma'am, Professor Dr. N. Kayalvili. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to call the final year student, N. Archana, to describe the modalities of how our third National Moot Court Competition 2025 went so far.
Good evening, everyone. Now, it is my pleasure and honor to take you through the modalities of the third National Moot Court Competition 2025. The moot proposition was released on the date of 6th January 2025. The problem this year revolves around the environmental law and intervened with intriguing constitutional discussions. On day 1, that is 6th February 2025, we saw the registration of total 18 colleges from various government law colleges of Tamil Nadu and from other states, and also few private colleges joining us. Following the registration, we had the inauguration ceremony with the Honorable Chief Guest, Tirumadi S. Meenakshi, Chief Judicial Magistrate Thiruvallur, delivering the inaugural address, and Honorable Thiru A. Dharanidharan, District Municipal cum Judicial Magistrate, Pallipat, Tirthani, to grace the occasion. We finished the day with drawing of lots and exchange of memorials for the preliminary rounds. On day 2, that is on 7th February 2025, we started the day with the preliminary round with our fierce participants being judged by a total of 18 judges. It is my duty to mention that we had the panel of 38 scholarly judges, in total drilling the students under various levels of prelims, quarterfinals, semi-finals and also in finals. Post noon on 7 February 2025, we conducted the quarterfinals with 8 teams with mooting time of 40 minutes for each team. It is indeed tough task for the judges to select 4 teams out of 8 teams for our semi-finals. On day 3, that is 8th February 2025 today, we conducted the semi-finals in the morning session and followed by the highly anticipated finals. The finals were held between the 2 teams by the code Redwood versus Oak, presided by the esteemed 5 judges bench. Honorable Mr. D. Lingeshwaran sir, District Judge, Honorable Mrs. Deepthi Arundhati ma'am, Dr. G. Rajashekar sir, HOD, Department of Legal Studies, University of Madras, Mr. Hari Krishnan, Advocate, High Court of Madras, and Mr. Ramesh Ganapati, Advocate, High Court of Madras. I would like to appreciate the relentless spirit of the participants in each round as we finally approach the valedictory ceremony headed by our Honorable Justice C. Saravanan, Judge, High Court of Madras, and other dignitaries. Just like all of you, I am eagerly waiting for the results. Thus, our third National Moot Court Competition was a fruit labor of all the hardworking volunteers, faculties, administrative staffs, and all the dignitaries present here. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Archana. Now, I would request our respected coordinator of Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee, Professor Dr. G. Jayakauri, to deliver the special address.
Very good evening to one and all present here. Esteemed guests, Honorable Justice Tirusi Saravanan, Judge, High Court of Madras, Dr. Lingeshwaran, AG, District Judge, Madras High Court. Amidst us, we have Juliet Pushpa. I thank the coordinator for giving me an opportunity to see Juliet Pushpa after 23 years. She studied in Government Law College, Tirunelveli. I just met her only in 2002. So now maybe the government, the director, the principal of this college gave me an opportunity to see her, Juliet Pushpa. And amidst us we have Deepthi Arivanadi, finale judges, esteemed faculty members, administrative staff, renowned guests, chief guests, guests of honor, student volunteers, and moot participants. I warmly welcome, I take this opportunity to extend my warm and heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. On behalf of the Moot Organizing Committee, I am extending my gratitude and felicitation to each and every one of you. Amidst us, we have student volunteers. On behalf of the Moot Court Committee, I would like to share few words. Our distinguished professor, Director of Legal Studies, Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Madam couldn't participate for this valedictory function because of unavoidable circumstances, but she has left a message to convey to the Honorable Justice and to the other dignitaries on the dais about her wishes and regards to them. So on behalf of the Professor Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Madam, I extend our heartfelt gratitude for coming over for this moot court valedictory ceremony. And amidst us, we have Professor N. Kailviri, the principal of this college. See, we have to be thankful, and I have to congratulate amidst all the other works she has, within a short period of time, with the thoughtful planning and clear execution, she has conducted this program. I congratulate the principal and the entire team of faculty for for making this moot grand success. And very prominent person, see our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Justice Tirisi Saravanan. Actually, we have to wholeheartedly welcome on behalf of the organizing committee also for his gracious presence and in inspiring and motivating our students, which adds immense value to this event. So on behalf of the Directorate of Legal Studies, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest for presiding over this function. Thank you, Lordship. And we have Lingeshwaran DJ. Actually, he came to our college last year for adjudging the finals. Almost 3 years continuously, he came and adjudged the finals. He's not only a presiding officer in the court, but he is also a great academician. So we express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to him for coming over for this function. And I think I've told about Juliet Pushpa and my relationship with her. So we wholeheartedly welcome you on behalf of the organizing committee, Juliet Pushpa, Madam. And I welcome, on behalf of the committee, I welcome Deepthi Arivinadi for this valedictory ceremony. And of course, my team committee members, Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee members, because even during festivals and other things, I disturbed all my committee members for finalizing the problem, for conducting the International Moot Court orientation program before Diwali, and Deepavali Eve and after Deepavali, we have troubled so many people. So I thank all our Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee members for gracing this occasion. And of course, now faculties are the pillars and backbone of all the institution. So I warmly welcome all the faculty members for this valedictory ceremony of Moot Court Competition. Last but not the least, I'll be failing in my duty if I don't welcome and thank my own young generations, dear charming students. So here, just Moot is a wonderful platform for you to showcase your talents and to develop your advocacy skills. So I think this would have served. You all have showcased your talents on this wonderful platform. I urge each and every participant to view this experience as a stepping stone towards your future endeavors. So I also wish this will ignite your passion for the cause of advocacy and justice. So remember, regardless of the announcement of results today, you all have emerged victorious in the journey of learning and growth. So students, whatever may be the results, Moot always connects students with peers, judges, and legal professionals, leading to valuable connections and career opportunities. So at this juncture, I would like to welcome each and every Moot participant for this program, and I would like to tell the principal of this law college that we have to get the participant's name and other things. We will give the certificate after verifying all the records. So the students can also think the certificates will come to all the students to your own colleges as per the address given by the student. So the certificates will be provided through post. Okay. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity to address on this special gathering. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It is indeed inspiring to hear from you. I will consider it as a privilege and honor to introduce our chief guest, Honorable Justice C. Saravanan, Judge, High Court of Madras. Honorable Lordship graduated BA LLB Honours from the reputed National Law School of India, University, Bangalore, 1989 to 94. The prolific career of Lordship started with working in Miss R. Vaigai and Anna Matthew, specializing in service laws, administrative laws, labor laws, and public interest litigations. Lordship handled a good number of intellectual property rights dispute apart from the routine proceedings before the trademark registry. Our Lordship has worked with Mr. Aravind P. Dattar, Senior Advocate at Chennai. In the year 2000, initially started as an independent practice, later witnessed the joining of Lordship's wife, Ms. S. Tenmuri, who is also an advocate in the office. The main areas of practice are excise, customs, service tax and sales tax, civil suits, intellectual property disputes, company law related proceedings, property disputes in High Court and city civil courts. Lordship also handled arbitration proceedings. Indeed, a judge who needs no introduction, I would request Honorable Justice C. Saravanan to kindly come forward and deliver the valedictory address.
My colleagues from the District Judiciary, Principal Dr. Ambedkar Government Law College, then Dr. Gauri, Coordinator of the Moot Court Committee, respected faculty members from different colleges and this college, parents, teachers from other colleges, students who have participated and who are present in large number. Good evening to all of you. Indeed, it is heartening to be here this evening, and the atmosphere is very electrifying here. Yeah, the hall also is very good. The first hall I'm seeing in some of the college, the best hall I've seen in few colleges, yes. Very good, very well organized room you have for a function like this. I must apologize to all of you that I came a bit late because there was some traffic congestion on the way. But yes, I wanted to come for this function because last week also I was there. I'm seeing some of the familiar faces last week I saw in Chengalpet College. I think some of the winners are here and some of the participants are here. These moot court competitions are basically a bridge between what you have learned in these 3 years, 5 years, 4 years in the college and the actual profession which you will be joining in few years. The fact that all of you have participated shows that you have inclination to join the profession. Right now you have done only some competition based on the problems that have been created and given to you in the form of a memorial. What you have done today will be done by you for rest of your life once you join the profession on day basis. So you have actually bridged the gap already and you're ready to get to the profession as in when you clear your exams and get your certificate from the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu. So basically I just want to say a few things. The gestation period in the legal profession is very long. It takes longer time. It takes about 5 years for a person to get settled in the profession before you actually start earning some money. So, but don't lose heart. Whatever you've learnt in the college and whatever you've experienced in these moot courts will come handy once you have your own brief or a brief is given to you in your senior's office. You must choose an office wisely because that will be the turning point, and that will be the trajectory which will lead you to the future in the profession. So you have to choose the subject which you like. You could like direct tax, you could like indirect taxes, you may like civil practice, you may like criminal practice, but choose wisely and join. Also choose an office where the office is known for ethical practices, because ultimately in this profession, your reputation is very important. It is the tongue of the word which matters a lot, and the reputation which your senior will have a bearing on your reputation as well, and that will be there till the end of your career. So be cautious, join a good office, learn for 3 years, 4 years or 5 years, however long you want to learn. And even if you join an office and if you're not comfortable with the area of practice, you can always shuffle. First 3-4 years, you can shuffle from one area of practice to another area of practice. Whatever experience you undergo will come handy at a later point of time. More importantly, cultivate hobbies, and don't forget to enjoy your youth and the life. Once you get very busy, you may not get enough time for most of it, so you should know how to balance your life. Take care of your physical health, do physical exercises, get into sports importantly, because they will keep you in good stead at the age of 45, 50, 55, when you really need that health to take care of you. Otherwise, all the sacrifice which you do in the first 10, 15 years will go waste. So these things just keep in mind. All of you are winners. All of you are winners having participated in the program. Winning or losing in the program is one aspect of it, and that would be perennial. Once you join the profession, you would have a day when you will win. You will have a day when you may not win a case for your client. Sometimes you have to be resigned to the fate of the client despite the best of efforts you put. So do take this profession very seriously. Join the profession, enjoy your time as a youth and as a professional once you join the. Also try to learn some other aspects as well, what is not taught in the law colleges. For instance, the court crafts, which you can't learn it in a moot program. You have to come to the court, watch some of the senior advocates, how they practice, how they make the presentation, how they actually read the mind of the judge, how they anticipate, and how they actually take the judge the way they want it. So there are some techniques which are not taught. Do learn that also. I would recommend all of you to read books on NLP, that is called Neuro-Linguistic Programming. So basically it is all about the way you think, the way you work. So you could find out a person, suppose you're addressing a court and you want to get the judge's attention. You have to see what kind of frame the judge has. Apart from the fact that the judge is very inclined to listen to you, you should see whether he is a very kinesthetic person or whether he is very auditory or whether he is very visual. So you have to calibrate and make your submissions. So if you read those books, they will help you, and when in real time, when you really get an opportunity to argue cases in open courts, take that opportunity to experiment. There is no winning and losing. Every day is a winning for you. Every time you lose is also a feedback which you get, you can work on. Work on that and see what you can do next time when a similar opportunity comes to you. All the best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. I am sure the participants and students are highly benefited from the speech. With this, I would like to call Professor A. Janagi to guide us further towards the most awaited moment.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, one and all. I request our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Justice C. Saravanan Sir, High Court of Madras, to announce results of 3rd National Moot Court Competition 2025.
Best Speaker Male, S. Mohammed Ismail. Team Code Peer, College, Government Law College, Madurai.
Thank you.
Okay, the best speaker women. S. Tejaswita, Team Code Oak, Chennai Dr.Ambedkar Government Law College, Pudupakkam. All the best. Which year you doing? Yeah, good, very good. Come. Yes, you can invite, yes. The team can come. The team can come to the stage.
Balanitin R. Raghavi S. Please come forward.
Didn't you all win the memorial there? Tengalpetla? I think she was there. Pudupakkatla? I think she did. She was there. Yes. You receive it with your... All the best, three of you.
Best Memorial Team.
Neem, Government Law College, Coimbatore.
I request A.S. Shritu, Bhagirathi KSR and Sweta T to step forward. Be careful. The best researcher.
Selva Prasad T. Dragon, Government Law College, Namakkal.
The most awaited moment, the winner of the 3rd National Moot Court Competition. On the countdown of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is?
Any guess? Yes, Redwood Government Law College, Salem.
And the runner?
Runner is Oak, Chennai Dr.Ambedkar Law College, Pudupakam.
Tejashweta, Balanitin and Raghavi. Thank you, dignitaries. Kindly be seated.
Thank you, dignitaries, and congratulations to the winners, runners, prize winners at different categories, and all the participants once again. Now, may I request Professor Dr. V. Vijay Karthik, Assistant Professor Law, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, one and all who are present over here. On behalf of Chennai Dr.Ambedkar Government Law College, Pattaraiperumbudur, I stand here with great gratitude to deliver the vote of thanks for this wonderful occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Government of Tamil Nadu and the Director of Legal Studies, Professor Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi Madam, for encouraging us to conduct this third national level moot court competition. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Honorable Mr. Justice C. Saravanan, Judge, High Court of Madras, for having come and graced this occasion, blessing the students and distributing the prizes for the budding lawyers. Thank you, Lordship. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to Tirumati J. Juliet Pushpa, Principal District Judge, District and Sessions Judge, Thiruvallur, Thiru D. Lingeshwaran Sir, Administrator General and Official Trustee of Tamil Nadu, Tirumati Deepthi Arivinathy, District Judge, Commercial Courts, Chennai, Dr. Rajesh Shekhar, Head of the Department of Legal Studies, University of Madras, Thiru Hari Krishnan, Advocate, High Court of Madras, Thiru Ramesh Ganapathy, Advocate, High Court of Madras, Professor Dr. G. Jayagauri Madam, Principal of Chennai Dr.Ambedkar Government Law College, Pudupakkam, who is the coordinator of the Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee, Thiru X. Inbasekaran Sir, Assistant Professor, Government Law College, Madurai, and Dr. C. Hepzibah Beulah, Assistant Professor, Government Law College, Vellore, who are the members of Tamil Nadu State Moot Committee, for gracing us with their presence and sharing this wonderful moment with us. Your support and guidance have truly made this event special, and we are honored by your valuable contribution. I would like to thank our beloved principal, Dr. N. Kayalvidi Madam, for organizing this third national level moot court competition in a grand and successful manner within a short span of time after taking the charge. We would like to extend our sincere thanks to all the judges who have adjudged the competitors, judged the competition, the participants from various law colleges, our teaching and administrative staff, the organizing committees, volunteers, and all those who have worked tirelessly to make this event a grand success. Your efforts have made everything come together seamlessly, and for that we are incredibly grateful. Finally, I would like to thank each one of you for being here and for your active participation. Your presence today is a reminder of the collective efforts we put in to make this event a grand success. Once again, thank you all, and we look forward to the continued success of this journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I request the audience to raise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल
a small announcement. I request all the audience, winners, runners and all the participants, teaching and non-teaching staff to remain seated as there is a photo session arranged.
Sir, please be seated in the hall. The participants, please. The participants of this moot court competition are requested to be seated, please.
Students, government law colleges who have submitted the tickets for conveyances, travel allowance, kindly be seated. You will be called here to hand over the travel allowance. Okay? Kindly be seated. Kindly contact Dr. V. Vijay Karthik for travel allowance.